If your lights flicker at the lowest level of brightness on your simple or smart dimmer, this video will show you how to adjust the minimum dim level on that dimmer. You may know this as trim. Trimming the simple dimmer. Remove the faceplate from your simple dimmer. Toggle the rocker to the off position and slide the dimmer all the way down. Adjust the trim. On the lower left of the switch is a small wheel. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. Toggle the rocker to the on position. If the switch turns on, you're done. If the light does not turn on, keep going. Closely observe your light while slowly turning the wheel to the left, stopping every few seconds to allow the switch to adjust. Stop when your lights turn on and reach the lowest possible brightness. Turn the light off and on again to ensure that it stays at the correct level. Trimming a smart dimmer. Navigate to the home page of the Deako app. Tap Edit in the upper right to enter edit mode. Tap the arrow to the right of the light you would like to change the settings for. Select your bulb type. Your dimmer will be set to default automatically. Select LED if your dimmer is controlling LED bulbs, and incandescent if your dimmer is controlling incandescent bulbs. To adjust minimum dim level, tap into MIN and use the slider to adjust the level so that the light is on but just visible. Here's a tip. If you are using a LED bulb, you may need to move the minimum slider far up and then move it down to the lowest dim. This is because the energy required to turn on an LED is higher than the energy required to keep it at a low dim level. Keep in mind that when setting the minimum dim brightness for LED bulbs, set it to 5% above the minimum. This is to prevent the bulb from flickering or shimmering when other appliances like the AC, furnace, or refrigerator kick on. When you are done, hit back in the upper left to return to the dimmer settings. Setting the max dim level. Most of the time, the maximum dim level does not need to be adjusted. For a little bit of energy savings, you can use the slider to adjust the level down until you notice a change in the brightness. Then shift the slider back up just before you notice the lights dim. This ensures the light is using the least amount of energy for the highest possible brightness. Hit back in the upper left to return to dimmer settings and hit save in the upper right hand corner to save your settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Deako customer support at support@deako.com.